Welcome to our video about assisted drive sizing in the Lenze Easy System Designer. Here you can choose the different applications you want to use for your drive sizing. You can also select the unit systems you want to use. For our example, we will continue with the belt conveyor. We select belt conveyor and click Continue. In this window, we describe the application, like diameter of the drum or the friction coefficient. If you want to add more detailed values, simply put in the check mark and you will find more detailed values, like for instance, the angle of tilt if you're doing an incline. If you hold the cursor over the text, you will find a more detailed description. After filling in this, you just click Continue. In this window, we describe the motion profile. For more detailed description, see our video on the Motion Designer. For this example, we choose S3 operating mode. Here we can adjust the preset profile, like for instance the operating time. Let's say we change it from 40% to 60%. We can change the acceleration and deceleration time of the ramps. We can adjust the load we are conveying. Let's say we choose 100 kilograms and we apply the changes. If you want more detailed values, you can always keep the cursor on the text. Once we are done with this profile, we continue. In this window, we see the application requirements from our description and motion profile, like the maximum application power, the maximum application speed, or required torque. You can put in the check mark and see more detailed values, or you can go in and check the further diagrams. You will see a detailed description of what is going on in the application. Once done, you click Continue. In this window, we do a pre-selection. We can use assisted mode that precisely finds the best solution without restrictions or warnings, or we can choose a manual mode. For this manual mode, you need to be logged in. We continue with assisted mode. Now we select the main electrical supply. We choose the variable frequency drive. We choose the motor we want to use in this application. We choose the gearbox we want to use. We also choose the desired mounting position, and if desired, add an additional drive element like a belt transmission. Once we are done, we click Continue. Now we have the results of our sizing with the best suited products for the application based on our pre-selection. We can see the utilization by scrolling the mouse over the bar, or go into the results and see the diagrams of each of the products or the application. Now we can finish the configuration of the product by going in here and, for instance, select the field bus module of our variable frequency drive. Now the product is finished and configured. We have access to all the datasheets, CAD drawings, ePlan macros, everything around it. We can now add the products directly to our shopping cart or create a detailed sizing report. Feel free to check out our other videos on getting the utmost out of the Easy System Designer.